जन हितैषी देख रहे दर्शकों का स्वागत है जन जन की बात जन हितैषी के साथ। दोस्तों मैं संदीप शर्मा एक बार फिर तुहाडे नाल रूबरू हो रहे हैं तो अज असी एक बार फिर तुहानूं लैके आए हैं एक्स स्टैप आउटलैट दे विच। जी हाँ, लुधियाना दे विच जिहड़ा एक खुलिया ग्लोबल आउटलैट, हालांकि ये संडे नूं ही इहदी ओपनिंग हुई है, पर संडे नूं ओपनिंग होने के बावजूद ही ये एकदम वर्ड ऑफ माउथ बन गया है। लोगों के विच बहुत क्रेज़ है क्योंकि ग्लोबल ब्रांड है, हांगकांग बेस्ड ब्रांड है। सो लोगों का फुटफॉल इस ब्रांड की जी क्रेजी कलैक्शन है उन्होंने लैके बहुत ज़्यादा देखने को मिल रहा है। सो अज असी इत्थे पहुँचने का एक बार होर मकसद ये है कि इत्थे जिहड़े हांगकांग तो स्पैशली जिहड़े ऑनर है डायरैक्टर है वो पहुँचे है लुधियाना दे विच। सो सर वी वेलकम यू इन लुधियाना आवर सिटी।
Okay, thank you.
So what's your good name?
My name is Anton.
Anton.
Yes.
Sir, from where you have come?
From in India, I'm from Bangalore.
Okay.
Yes.
So since how long you will be in Ludhiana?
How long? I think this week I will stay in
This week?
Ludhiana. Yes, yes,
Any
yes.
special purpose to come here in Ludhiana?
Yeah, actually, this is the first store in Ludhiana, right?
Yeah.
And it will be the representative of the Ludhiana market. So that's why I need to come here and to see this market, and also we also have the good brand in Ludhiana. Okay. So that's why I came here and for the ceremony and also for the market observation. Okay.
So tell me something about your company.
Okay, Xstep is the brand which is distinguished with different other brand. We are more focused on the sports fashion.
Yeah.
But what is the sports fashion? Is that we are not only focused on the sports itself, and also we are focused on the daily life. And the daily life, actually, we also need something which is in fashion. So that's why we focus on the sportswear and also this lifestyles. And for the other thing is this brand is more focused on the mass market.
Okay.
Mass market. And for the mass market, actually
so this is for youngsters or teenagers or all age group?
I think it's easy to find a good range for all the age group.
All age.
Yes.
And is it for men's or both unisex?
Actually, it's men's and women's and also even kids. You also can find from
Why
Xstep.
you are promoting like a sports brand? This is it sports brand?
Yes, it's a sports brand. Why we also make it fashion? Because sometimes if we want to go for the outing, and if we want to go to have some parties, and then if we wear some shoes, okay. It's not feel comfortable because there's not technologies there.
Is this your own?
Huh? Yes.
Is this your own brand?
Yes.
Xstep?
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So and also this kind of this is we call the urban styles. Okay. And these urban styles we also bring some technology with this. Okay. So the ones you feel wear our products, and then you will feel okay. It's so much comfortable.
Okay.
And also this brand position is really different. We are focused on the mass market. So you will find with good design, good technology, and good materials, and you can find a very sweet price point.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So what is the price range of your brand?
Actually, actually we have different kind of the categories. If we take the running categories, okay. if that is sports shoes, proper technology sports shoes, we start from 2399 till 5999.
Okay.
So this is the main range. Even we have some higher.
Okay.
But that is
so
for the professional.
What is the specialty of your brand? Why people come to you? Why not go to other international brands?
Yes, this is a good question. Actually, for example, do you do any exercise? You like jogging?
Yeah.
Okay, so you are the beginner for the jogging, right?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So if you are the beginner of the jogging, and then would you like to pay a high range price point for those kind of the premium products? Maybe some people want. Say yes, but maybe I think that for the mass market, they just want to pay some reasonable price to buy shoes, which is just for the beginners. Okay, and then only some functions and some technologies you need for the jogging, right? And so come to our brand, and then we can give you the products which is just for the beginner and with a very strict price point.
ਸੋ ਦੋਸਤੋ ਇਹ ਸੀਗੇ ਐਕਸਟੈਪ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਓਨਰ ਹੈ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਔਰ ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਹਾਂਗਕਾਂਗ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਓਨਰ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਐਕਸਟੈਪ ਖਾਲੀ ਇੱਕ ਗਾਰਮੈਂਟ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਬਲਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਟੈਕਨੋਲੋਜੀ ਬੇਸਡ ਗਾਰਮੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਗਰਮੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਗਰਮੀ ਤੋਂ ਔਰ ਸਰਦੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਸਰਦੀ ਤੋਂ ਔਰ ਬਰਸਾਤ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਭਿੱਗਣ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਗਾ ਔਰ ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਜੇ ਇਸ ਮੌਨਸੂਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਿਊਰਿੰਗ ਬਰਸਾਤ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਔਰ ਭਿੱਗਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਟੈਪ ਆਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਔਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੀ ਕਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਟੈਕਨੋਲੋਜੀ ਬੇਸਡ ਕਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਟੈਸਟ ਕਰੋ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ। ਦੇਖਦੇ ਰਹੋ, ਬਨੇ ਰਹੋ ਜਾਣੇ ਤੈਸ਼ੀ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।